Hey, if you want to turn on Hey Google on your POCO C65, first of all, just be sure that you update your Google application to the latest version. Next, you have to open this application and click on the right upper corner on your account. Then tap on the settings. From here, you will have to scroll down and locate the Google Assistant and click on the Hey Google and voice match. Now we have to click on this switcher. I'm gonna also delete my current voiced model just to show you step by step how it looks. So from here, scroll down and tap I agree, then scroll down and tap I agree one more time. And now in my case, it's already set up because I just provide my voice data, but it will look like this, that you will have right here the circle and you have to repeat a few phrases for like 5 times, and after this it will be set up. So you'll get this screen and you will be able to accept everything. And now when I say Hey Google, it will be turned on. And as you can see, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.